Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have what you need: current PIN, recovery email or phone, and a charged phone. First, go straight to Settings and tap Security or Privacy. This is where device authentication lives. Once you open Password or Screen Lock, select Change Password or Lock Type. You'll be prompted for your current PIN or biometric to prove it's you. Do that now so the device will allow edits. Make sure you don't skip verifying your recovery contact before moving on. Now pick the authentication method that fits your threat model: PIN for speed, password for strength, or biometric for convenience. Tap Change and enter a new password meeting the device rules. Aim for 8 or more characters with mixed case, digits, and a symbol if allowed. Type it slowly, confirm it, and consider a password manager or a memorable passphrase to avoid reuse. Once set, the device will re-encrypt some data. Wait for completion and keep your recovery info. Finish by locking and unlocking the phone immediately to verify the new password works across apps and device features. Then update any linked accounts, backup settings, and trusted devices so Remote Unlock or Find My Device still functions. Make sure biometric data is resynced if needed. If you cannot sign in, try account recovery via your registered email or SMS code. If that fails, a factory reset may be required. Remember that resets erase local data, so use it only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.